Hello, my name is Simón Vélez Correa. They compared Medellin and Santa Fe, Antioquia in terms of quality of life because owes the following adjectives. Okay, noise. Medellin is noisier due to large seas on population. Crane, both cities have different um, levels of carelessness, but overland Santa Fe, Antioquia seem to be cleaner and more um, orderly than Medellin. Uh, Expensive. Medellin is generally more expensive than Santa Fe, Antioquia in terms of housing, transportation, and service in general. Dirty. In comparison to Santa Fe, Antioquia, Medellin can be dirty due to its size and population. Crowded. Medellin is more populous than Santa Fe, Antioquia, making it more crowded and full on people. Um, Large. Medellin is much larger and Santa Fe, Antioquia old. Santa Fe, Antioquia is a historic city, so it has an old and tradition atmosphere, while Medellin is more modern. Thank you very much.